Hey guys, what's going on? Before I go to the gym, I decided to stop at this little short, quick trail. And it's funny, look at my little friends that I found right here. There's a little snake over here. There's another snake over there. There's a turtle, there's another snake. I guess this is the best place to overcome my fear of snakes. This is a very short trail, it's less than half a mile. So if you're looking for something quick, something easy, it's perfect for beginners, it's perfect to bring little kids. So let's check it out. So it's a nice sunny day. So let's see what we find. Getting close to the hole. Honestly, 5-minute hike. That's all it took. It's a 5-minute hike. So it's beautiful views and it's very interesting. But if you're looking for a more intense hike, go to Camelback. This is very, very easy. Perfect spot for good pictures. Ready to go in? You get a nice view of downtown Phoenix. The airport's right in front of me. So you will see airplanes take off like every 5 minutes, maybe more often. So now I'm going to go on top of it and see what we find. Tempe over there. You can see downtown Phoenix over there. Oh, look who's there. And that's Camelback right here. You get a gorgeous view of the valley, 360 degrees. I love it. You should come and check it out. And that's the hole. Whoa! wanna take a walk by the little lake, let's do that next. Community fishing water. Well, I don't fish, but I sure like to take a little walk on this little water park or whatever this is. It's like a little spot to hang out. And this is how we come to the end of today's adventure. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any adventures. Until next time, see you guys.